Ka H Garden Robot Hostel ka Arpoitrik Jilio Kalayo ban play pa ya ka Medical Oxygen Generation Plan Sanspa LPM ka ba kilayo lengba ka project ka ba ay nak sarkar jala bat ka jingetre lang na ka President Church of Wales FCRA arajar arpoy arajar arwar. Hakani ka simply ya ka tay ka oxygen plan ka balong kum kaway na tiar ajing sumar ka bala ban pynjanai syusyu ya kum sumar nongpang lapli pa daw menteri ka tanan ka koy ka khia James ke sangma kumukongsan harengkat ka jenan lang principal secretary ka tanan ka koy ka khia Sampat Kumar bat kinongkit kam chong ka tay ka hospital ki bakanthop yu Reverend SS Majaw chairman ka hospital governing body ba kid blu Umar Panyang u administrative officer ki doctor ki nurse bat kinong tray ka tay ka hospital.
Sampai can go there. Yeah, I think should be worried about.
When we celebrate 100 years of this hospital, it really is a celebration of the adage that says service to man is service to God, and that is the kind of service that Gordon Robert Hospital has offered to our state. So in advance, my congratulations to the KGP Assembly and to all the doctors and to the management of this hospital for the centennial celebrations which will be taking place from the 4th of November till the 3rd of November next year. We all know that our Principal Secretary also just mentioned about the kind of service that Gordon Robert Hospital offered during the time of COVID, and we are very thankful as a government to each and every one of you for your sacrifices, for the kind of service that you offered during that really challenging time. And today we see a return to normalcy, as was mentioned by Dr. Nomrum, that from the 5th of March till date, there have been nil cases, at least in this hospital. We are seeing a return to normalcy, and this is really so encouraging for all of us, and we thank Almighty God that finally we are seeing a return to normalcy. And this oxygen plant that we have inaugurated was specifically for COVID, to provide that kind of support during COVID for oxygen, which was so crucial at that juncture. But when we see a return to normalcy, I'm extremely confident and optimistic that this oxygen plant will continue to provide that kind of support and service for the challenges that lie ahead now that we move away from COVID. We are very thankful to Gordon Robert Hospital for taking up the responsibility of now, since we are shifting away from COVID to looking at other aspects of health, especially infant and maternal mortality rates, and also other non-communicable diseases, which is becoming one of the biggest challenges that this world is going to be facing, the non-communicable diseases. And this is something that I'm very thankful that this hospital is looking at having a focus on that.